What's up everyone, Brian from ATEN here again. And in this video, we're gonna show you how to set up live streaming on YouTube and Facebook on your laptop, get the key from there onto the iPad to the on-air app and begin live streaming with the ATEN UC9020. So let's take a look at Facebook first. Okay everyone, so here we are on our awesome Facebook homepage. Now to start live streaming, go to where it says create post, click on these ellipses and go down to where it says live video and click on that. Now click on connect, and then what you need is going to be right here. It's the server URL and the stream key. You're going to need to get those from your laptop onto the iPad to input into the on-air app. So you can send it by email, you can use a messaging app, if you use a MacBook Pro, you can use AirDrop to send that from your MacBook Pro to your iPad. Either way, you're going to need to get these from here to there. Now, let's check out YouTube. So here is our wonderful YouTube homepage. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell on ATEN International. Now, you want to go to this top right camera icon. Click it, then click Go Live. Now, you're going to want to hit New Stream. Now, hit Create Stream. What you want is going to be right down here, the stream key and the stream URL. Again, hit copy on them, input them into your messaging app or whatever you're using. What if you don't want to or can't use a laptop to create the stream key and get the URL from Facebook and YouTube? You can create them on the iPad. Now, you cannot do this from a smartphone, but you can do it from a tablet. What you need to do is first delete the Facebook and YouTube apps from the iPad. Go into a browser such as Safari or Chrome, go to the YouTube and Facebook websites. Log in and then switch to desktop mode. Once you are in desktop mode, you can create the stream key and get the URL and then input them into the ATEN on-air app and begin live streaming with the UC9020. So let's switch over to the ATEN on-air app and really begin setting up live streaming on the UC9020. Now, as you can see here, we're on our homepage. We have all our scene presets here. Now let's go up to settings. Okay, so right here in the stream area, this is where you're going to enter your URL and stream keys. So as you can see, we have the URL set up for YouTube and for Facebook, but where's our stream key? Well, I have emailed it to myself, worry not. And let me copy the YouTube stream key. Now, very important, you need to hit this eye icon here if you want to paste. Paste it, and then hit apply. Success. Now, as you probably already guessed, the UC9020 can stream to two platforms simultaneously. So we have YouTube set up, we have Facebook set up. So the big moment has arrived. We're gonna press that shiny Go Live button on the UC9020. Are you ready? I am. Let's try it out. Starting streaming, please wait. Now down here at the bottom right, you can see the connection speed and whether or not you actually are connected to server 1 and server 2. So let's go over to our laptop and check out Facebook. Yes, we are streaming to Facebook. And then let us go to YouTube. Yes, we are streaming to YouTube. So when you're finally ready to stream to your audience, you need to go over here and click the Go Live button on YouTube and the same thing on Facebook. Go down here and hit Go Live. Once you do, you will be live streaming to your audience with the ATEN UC9020 StreamLIVE HD. That's all for this video. Until next time, happy live streaming everyone.